What's going on, world? It's your man Mega Skills, and we're live from our YouTube page. What I'm about to do is show you how I get down and record a lot of my radio shows, mix shows, things of that nature. Foremost, I do a lot of mobile DJing in my market. There's not a lot of nightclubs, so most of my DJing is mobile. I do about sometimes 5 or 6 gigs a week. So for the most part, I enjoy DJing with one CDJ or one turntable, and I always use my Rain mixers. The reason I do this is, as I stated earlier, I do about 5 or 6 gigs a week sometimes, and I like to get in and out of the events because I'm doing mobile DJing. I had to set up the sound systems and things like that. I use internal mode on one side of my laptop, and I also use relative mode on the main side. So I use the instant doubles. I can demonstrate here what I'm talking about. You go into vinyl control. You go into playback, and you click on instant double. This method allows you to instant double the song. So basically, if you have one song playing on turntable 2 and you instant double it to the internal side, it'll instantly sync the song. I'm about to demonstrate is how to do the instant doubles. So say for example, I had this track playing. Shout out my good friend Tracknologist. This is one of his beats that he produced. So say for example, I had this beat playing, and this is on channel 2. I just go down, command the arrow and command, and this instant synced. See how my levels are already matched? There we go. Then I grab another track. Fade it down and play it. Alright, your man Mega Skills. I'm about to demonstrate to you how I rock a party doing one turntable style.
You big disgrace, taking your shine hard, singing, we will rock you. We will rock you.